After years of working in property management, I've seen every kind of clutter you can think of. Closets jammed shut, garages stacked from floor to ceiling, even tenants who left so fast they said, "Just take it out of my deposit." But now in retirement, I'm facing my biggest challenge yet, my dad's house. He was a collector of, well, everything. After his passing, we kids were left with mountains of stuff in every room of the house. And maybe you've felt the same, staring at piles and wondering, where do I even begin? Don't worry, it can be done. Today, I'll share 12 simple guidelines to help you declutter with less stress and more confidence. These are the same kinds of principles I used in property management, and now I'm using them in my own life. And at the end, I'll tell you how to get a free printable list of all 12 rules to keep as your guide, and one very important bonus rule at the end if all else fails. So let's begin. Rule 1. When in doubt, throw it out. Here is the golden rule of any declutter job. If you're holding something and debating, that's usually your answer. Most likely toss it. Keeping those items for the just in case I might need it item, it just ends up costing you space, peace of mind, and sometimes even money if you're paying for storage. If it hasn't been touched in a year or two, let it go, toss it, donate it, or pass it on. There is no point of it taking up space in your life. Rule 2. One in and one out rule. This one rule is my favorite. If something new comes in, something old must go out. It's the easiest way to stop clutter before it starts. It does not have to be the same type of item. It can be anything as long as one leaves when a new item comes in. You know the saying, if it does not bring you joy, let it go. It is true. Your home should contain all that gives you joy. If an item triggers old hurts, it doesn't belong in your present. If something brings back a wonderful or happy memory, well, it is worth the time it will take to decide to keep it or not, as long as it has a home. Rule 3. Efficiency counts. Store things accordingly. Items you use every day should be easy to reach. They need to be in a place that is easy to put them away. If not, it will end up on the floor or where it does not belong. Seasonal or rarely used things can go on a higher shelf or out in the garage and even the attic. Think of your home like a well-organized store. The best sellers stay out front, not buried in the back and hard to get to. Rule 4. Handle things once. When you pick something up, deal with it right then. Don't shuffle papers from pile to pile or move an item from room to room. Make the decision once. Save yourself the repeated stress. Rule 5. Recycle it. Not everything has to go in the trash. Papers, plastics, electronics, clothes. Many items can have a second life. Decluttering doesn't have to mean waste. It can mean passing things on responsibly. Plus, it helps in a small way to save the earth. Rule 6. Pick a number and stick with it. Set limits for yourself. 10 coffee mugs, 20 books, or 5 handbags. Don't keep them all. Think about how you will use these items. How often? How many will you actually use? And so on. Once you reach your number, the rest have to go. Limits keep collections from turning into chaos. Rule 7. Use a file cabinet for storage. These easy-to-find metal cabinets are easy to find in second-hand stores now. As life has gone digital, the need for file cabinets has passed. However, they are great for storage. They can be painted to match your decor, and the drawers are deep and hold a lot. Rule 8. Do something. The worst clutter habit is procrastination. It's the downfall of us all at times. Even small actions matter. One drawer, one shelf, or one bag at a time. Progress adds up, but only if you start. Rule 9. A place for everything and everything in its place. Clutter isn't always too much stuff. Sometimes it's simply stuff without a home. Once you assign a spot for an item, you'll always know where it goes. Rule 10. Items displayed in the house have to pass the test. If it's sitting out, it should either be beautiful or useful. If it doesn't add joy or serve a clear purpose, it's just clutter in disguise. Rule 11. Don't do things later. Later becomes never. Put it away, deal with the paper, clean up the counter, right now. Clutter grows fastest when we keep saying, "I'll do it tomorrow." Rule 12. Label things. Please don't ever think you will remember what is in that box. Because you won't. Whether it's bins, boxes, or shelves, labeling saves time, arguments, and second-guessing. Clear labels keep your systems working long after the first cleaning spree. Bonus rule number 13. Call in a professional. Sometimes the clutter mountain is just too big to climb alone. And that's okay. Whether it's a professional organizer, a junk removal service, or even just a trusted friend, calling in help can save your sanity. There's no shame in getting support. It often makes the process faster and a lot less stressful. These are the golden rules that will give you confidence and control as you start your decluttering journey. Follow these rules as I guide you through them. It is a daunting job, but you are not alone. Every Wednesday, I'll post a new decluttering tip that dives deeper into these rules. I will show you how to apply them step by step. And if you'd like a copy of this full list, I've made a free printable checklist you can hang up at home. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Don't forget to like and share this with a friend who's overwhelmed by clutter. Together, we'll tackle the mountain, one box at a time. Be sure to get your free printable 12 Golden Rules to help you in your journey. See you in the next video.